In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on Revolut. If you've ever needed to split a bill, get reimbursed for tickets, or simply collect a payment without awkward follow-ups, this quick process will make it easy. I'll walk you through each tap, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and share a few practical tips so your request is clear and secure. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. From the home screen, look along the bottom and tap on Payments. This is the hub for sending, receiving, and tracking money, so it's where all money movement options live. If you don't see payments right away, make sure your app is up to date and that you're logged into the correct account. In the payments screen, look to the top right corner and tap the plus icon. This opens a set of quick actions that let you move money without needing to type out full details every time. From the options that appear, choose Create a Payment Link. A payment link is a secure, shareable URL that lets someone send you money instantly. It's handy because the person paying doesn't need to know your account details, and they can usually complete the payment with their card or, in many regions, digital wallets. Next, tap on Request Money. This tells Revolut you're generating a link that brings funds to you, not sending them out. Right away, the app will prepare a link you can share with anyone you choose. If you want to ask for a specific amount, say the exact total for a meal or a service fee, tap Request a specific amount. Enter the amount carefully, double-check it, and then create the link. This keeps everything clear for the other person and helps you avoid back and forth messages about how much to pay. The link will reflect that amount when they open it. Once your link is created, you can copy it or share it directly through your favorite messaging app or email. When you share, add a brief note so the recipient knows what the payment is for, especially if it's a group payment. That small bit of context goes a long way, and that's it. You've successfully requested money on Revolut. Keep an eye on your notifications to see when the payment arrives. If anything looks off, simply create a new link with the correct amount and send that instead. Use links only with people you trust and avoid posting them publicly. With these steps, requesting money stays fast, clear, and hassle-free.